As you know, because today we're going to be singing White Horse by Taylor Swift. So I hope that you enjoy. Thank you. Say you're sorry, that face of an angel comes out just when you need it to. As I pace back and forth all this time, 'cause I honestly believed in you. Holding on at the days drag on, stupid girl. Should've known, should've known. I'm not a princess, this ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one you're supposed off the feet. Leader of the stairwell, this ain't Hollywood. This is a small town. I was a dreamer before you went to let me down. Now it's too late for you and your wife to come around.